Good morning on Monday, 6th of March, new Bitcoin update with also an update on my higher time frame outlook. Last week I said that we are in this yellow cycle possibility that we dip below 20,000. I still think it. On the lower time frame, I do think we do make one more leg lower. After the Friday dump, I do think we take out that previous low. Would make sense for liquidity, but also in Elliott wave. Then we might see a bounce to correct this move. For now, I'm looking at 23,500. Maybe we go all the way up to 24.3 and see a rejection from that area. But then I still expect another leg lower towards 20,000, 19,600. There is still a CME gap to be taken out, to be filled. It doesn't have to happen. But when I look at my Elliott wave count, I can see a move in leg number 2, like this, a larger WXY, to take it out and then start leg number 3. There is a possibility that we make one more low and then already go up. That's what I explained in the past weeks. If leg number 1 is already in place over here, and for that is what I back then also said, as long as we stay above this low at 21,350, we have a good chance that we are already in leg 3, and that we did here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 go for 30,000. If the next leg down, which I expect, let me go to my lower time frame chart. If that leg lower, let me go to the 4 hour. So you can see here, weekend sideways, expecting one more down here. If we stay above this level, so 21,300, we have a possibility that the bottom for that leg is in. Otherwise, what I said, something like this, and then the move to 19,600. Lower time frame, I would be, well, I'm looking at this more or less. At least one more down, but not trying to get in a trade here. There is a big risk that we first take out the weekend high, but from here, I do expect that we take out the low of Friday before we see any substantial bounce to the upside. It is also what I see in my Elliott wave chart. We do have an ABC where we have 1, 2, 3, and that third leg is in 1, 2, 3, 4, missing one more leg. Doesn't have to go to the green box at 21,500. As soon as we take out the lows here, and that's also why I'm not aiming for a low, for a short from here. I want to see a clear sign of sweeping that previous high. If we go down from here, it doesn't have to go all the way to the green box. Just taking out that low from Friday should be enough to call the cycle mature and ready for a substantial bounce. What I said, 23,500 maybe. And then afterwards we'll see possibly back to 20,000.